They stole your future without making a sound. Not with force, not with failure, but with noise. Endless noise that keeps you busy and empty at the same time. You wake up tired, not because you worked hard, but because your mind never rested. Your attention is broken into pieces before the day even starts. You sit down to do something meaningful, and within minutes you reach for your phone. A message, a scroll, a quick check. Hours disappear, and nothing important gets done. You tell yourself you're busy, but deep down you know the truth. You're distracted. You're avoiding the hard work that actually changes your life. Deep work scares you, because deep work forces you to face yourself. No noise, no escape, no comfort. Just you, your limits, and the effort required to grow. And here's the part most people don't want to hear. This is not the world's fault. This is not technology's fault. This is your responsibility. Every time you choose comfort over focus, you are voting for the same life. Every time you delay the hard task, you strengthen weakness. Every time you let distraction win, you train your mind to quit early. Deep work is not about working longer. It's about working deeper. It's about removing every excuse to run away from effort. Discipline is not motivation. Discipline is a decision you make before your feelings speak. You decide when you work. You decide what gets your attention. You decide what you ignore. Set time where nothing else exists. No phone, no notifications, no background noise. Just one task, one goal, one purpose. It will feel uncomfortable. Your mind will resist. You will feel bored, restless, and slow. That is not a problem. That is the training. This is where most people quit, and this is exactly where you separate yourself. Deep work builds a different identity. You stop being reactive. You stop being average. You stop needing external pressure to perform. Day by day, you become someone who finishes what they start, someone who can sit in silence and produce results, someone who doesn't need chaos to feel alive. Consistency changes how you see yourself. You don't just work better, you think sharper. You move with intention. You become unrecognizable to the version of you that wasted time. This is how real confidence is built. Not by talking, not by planning, but by doing the hard thing when no one is watching. The world rewards those who can focus, those who can stay locked in while others drift, those who choose depth in a shallow world. So here's your challenge. Today, block the time. Choose one meaningful task and go deep. No distractions, no excuses, no negotiation. Start now, because the life you want is hidden behind the work you keep avoiding.